Don't try that at home, kids. I'm a professional. 6:45 in the morning. Sun comes up in about an hour. We're out on the main road now and it looks pretty icy. Heading up to Beartooth Butte for sunrise. So I'm super hopeful that we'll have something really rare and really awesome. I've been trying to get this one shot for decades now of Beartooth Butte covered in snow with the lake not frozen and a nice sunrise hitting the peaks. I can get 2 out of the 3, but I can never get 3 out of the 3. There's no other tracks on the road but me. There goes a little tracks in the snow. Look at that wind. I've honestly never seen it this windy in the morning. Can you even hear me with this wind? Probably unusable audio. Wind makes it way colder. I looked over across the lake and I saw a black dot moving. Believe it or not, that's a grizzly bear. And it's way too dark right now for me to really be filming it. The sun hasn't come up. Check how far away he is. Oh, now he's like running. I have such bad luck filming grizzly bears. Yesterday we were filming that one down in the Lamar Valley. I'll show you guys that. And I was filming it for like 15 minutes at least, straight, and it never did anything cool. And the second I stopped filming and started to drive away, it stood up, and it stood up for like 10 seconds. And then I was filming this one, and then the very second that I stopped filming, he stood up. Look at him plowing through that snow. I wonder what he's looking for. It's like he's on the hunt. If he smells something? He's just looking for elk. This is so awesome. You hardly ever see bears in snow because they hibernate during the winter time. Can you see the little dot in the middle of the screen running across? I wish it was a little bit lighter by the time the sun comes up. He's going to be all the way across the lake and into the forest. Let me zoom back out and show you guys the greater. Oh, he's running again. He seems very much on the hunt, doesn't he? Stop to sniff, and then he runs. He's going somewhere. He's real close to the trail that I went on last month. The trail, if I can point, is just right there. So if I was on that trail this morning, I could run right into this dude. Now he's on the trail and out of my life. So the trail runs right up there through that little valley. Well, sunrise is supposed to happen in about 2 or 3 minutes. So if I would have got up here on time, I wouldn't even have seen that grizzly bear because he ducked behind those trees about 5 minutes ago. Someday I'll get my snowy sunrise reflection shot here at Beartooth Butte, but it is not this day. This day we freeze. Nobody's gone up the street yet. I'm gonna come right down here though again and film the lake from this viewpoint. Ooh, look at that. The water's almost still over here. We might get a sunrise after all. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Ooh, and there's even snow on the trees here. And to top it all off, we got to watch a grizzly bear run all the way across the front of this butte this morning. Fox tracks. Ah, it's nice that the wind has died down. Light hitting that little peak right there. Man, can you imagine if the grizzly bear was out there now with this light? Oh, that's fun. I'm cold. Let's get out of here. Something's barking over there. There's where our tracks pulled off before. So now we're the first ones driving up here in the snow. You guys need a ride? Ooh. Butt shots of America. You know, I always thought the monkeys were a joke, but I'm not hating this song. Well, I listened to the first 33 seconds of it, but it sounds pretty good. When I was little, they'd always play reruns of the Monkeys TV show. Oh, damn it. That was a big drift. I didn't know if I'd make it through it. Didn't see it until we were about to hit it, and there's nothing I could do. Oh wow, these drifts are getting big. Look at these drifts. Holy moly. Oh! Icy road. You think? So here's as far as you can drive up. I wish there was sun on me right now. Oh my goodness, with the wind chill, it's gotta be like negative degrees out there. Let's see what the car says the temperature is. 14 degrees it says. Yeah, wind chill, it's gotta be like 0, because it is super windy out there. This is not conditions for hiking. This is conditions for driving and pretending like that's your hike. We're on a drive hike. Shut up, monkeys. Down the road we go. Right down there is where I saw the wolves that one time. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at these dead trees right here. I can't believe those deer live up here. Like, why? Move to Florida. What does that sign say? This is Grizzly Conry? This is Grizzly Conry, everybody. Oh, he got himself something. Man, he ate that. Oh no, he's got it down there. Off he goes with his prize. Alright, we better go. It's snowing way too hard. Okay, hands are falling here. Here's our picnic table. And now for the picnic. It's a soft and chewy, it says, but it's frozen. I think it's going to be hard and crunchy. Yeah. Look at the lighting out there across the lake. Ah! Had to touch it. My hand is so cold I honestly can't even feel if anything's coming out of here. Wonder how long you'd survive if you went and got in there. Probably be a nice way to die, because I think your body would go completely numb and you'd die a painless death. Maybe. My hand is feeling much better now. That is the coolest icicle I've ever seen. I'm gonna have to come get the camera and show you guys this icicle. Isn't that weird? It's got this big old thing at the bottom. Water underneath. Ah! No! That's cool. Oh. Oh, this is deeper than I thought. It's about as deep as my boots. I'm just gonna walk to the other side of the lake. Got my camera here in case we see a bear. Let's try out the selfie stick again. Yeah? No. How's that? What animals could we see? Grizzly bear, highly unlikely. Although we saw one yesterday. Oh. What the heck is going on with this stupid selfie stick? Piece of crap. Who made this thing? I want my money back. Oh, pook. And I have to cross the river? How am I gonna do this? Easy peasy. You guys were like, that's gonna be so hard, Ryan, you'll never do it. Yeah, right. Ooh. It's a winter wonderland, and I'm walking in it. In that meadow, you could build a snowman. You know what I just realized? I didn't bring my bear spray. I always keep my bear spray hooked to my backpack, and well, I'm not wearing it. I'm a stupid idiot. I like how it's so dark and cloudy over there, but there's light and perfect sun hitting us in the lake right here. How deep. Walking in a winter wonderland. This is so gorgeous and peaceful. Yesterday the wind was so freaking bad. Oh, but today is just perfect. For all you foodies out there, delicious. Perfect consistency, no pollution. Oh. Careful, Ryan. Do a little selfie. Back to the car. Look how quickly the weather's changed. I was just overdoing the hike on Long Lake, and now the snow is coming in quick. I just wanted to show you guys this cool Beartooth safety shelter. Or if your car breaks down, your snowmobile breaks down or something, you can come here. They've got a little 911 emergency phone inside. Oh, it's all locked up. How the hell are you supposed to get in there? Why is there a lock on that? That's not going to save any lives. I guess they only open that up in the wintertime when the snowmobiles are going. So never mind. I guess if you're a snowmobiler, you could use that. Anyone else, you're SOL. Driving back down from Island Lake, and look how dark it's getting and snowy. I thought it was going to be a sunny day. Weather up here can change in a second. So I'm going to go super slow and careful so I don't end up off the side of the road being nursed back to health by some psycho nurse lady who just happens to have seen all my YouTube videos and is my number